What's up, everybody? This is Fly Fishing Lover, Pond Hopper Nation, and Cast King. Today is January 9th, 2018, and today I'm back at beautiful Echo Lake. Going to see how it goes. It rained last night, and it rained pretty good, so it's pretty much ice with a little bit of a puddleness, so luckily I got some very good ice fishing boots. And pretty much see where the perch are in crappie. I mean, perch and rainbows, so. Yeah, they're here.
Coming through now.
Dude, it feels good for a perch.
Yeah, they're pretty fat. Should we just keep all the
Oh, dude, you got enough? Yeah. Yeah, fatty.
Dude. Nice. Maybe I should wash my mouth.
You caught the fish. What is it? You got perch just hanging off the side. Gonna be dinner. And another perch. Ooh. Nice on the little bait, little swimmy bait jiggy. Nice. Rip and wrap, rip. Gotta rip them lips. That's a 5 pound.
Yeah, buddy.
Took the, I believe that was the Gets It one.
Yeah.
If he went to the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Yeah. He's a decent guy, not too big. On my other rod. Oh! Just right when I turned it off on the other video. Woo! Perch ahoy!
That's a nice one. Nice.
I didn't even, my thing didn't,
Get some.
dude, my rod didn't even dip down. It,
Doubled
oh
up.
dude, there's
Doubled
quite
up,
a bit down there right now.
Of course I pulled my rod out.
Dude, this feels good.
Fatty.
Feedy. Oh yeah.
Double fatty.
Woo! Bladder is all blah. Blah.
Yep, buddy.
Need for speed, man.
Here's the slam perch.
Yeah. Woo!
Oh, there you go, buddy.
Yeah!
That's a fatty.
Ah, ha, ha, ha.
Yeah, that's a big boy.
That's where the big kids come from. Measure on this ghetto measuring tape. No, I gotta use this ghetto.
What you got? Oh, that's a
10 and a half. 10 and a half. Woo! Look at that biggin. Biggins. Buddy.
Okay.
Just take it off. Yep.
Fish on.
All day, every day.
If I could just get
It's a perch!
if I could just get this other rod out, I might be able to catch some more fish.
Same here. I just dropped this right straight to the bottom and now it's like boom. Oh!
Yeah, buddy.
No bait. No bait required.
Oh, you no baiting.
Boom.
No
Buddy.
baiting.
No baiter. No baiter. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, something is hitting my other rod right now. Don't tell me I'm tangled up with my other rod. Perch, small guy, but dude, he's spewing out the eggs right now. Boop. Nice guy.
Oh, fish up.
See all that eggs.
Fish up.
Let the babies back. Come on, buddy. Join in, buddy.
Good guy.
Off he goes. Yep.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Get fatty.
Bending that rod.
Get
The
that
perch.
fatty. Jeez.
Nice.
Wow.
He's puking. Yeah. Come on.
Fish out.
Double trouble, man. Yeah, dude, they've been eating a lot of scuds and they're pretty fresh.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at all that fresh scud coming out its bladder. Pretty dope. Oh, he's just on. He just had it in its mouth.
What?
My thing wouldn't even move.
No way. What is it? What is that?
I caught the bait. Oh my gosh. I'm like, it's just standing here. I'm like, whoa. Well, I dipped down some perch taco bait and this is what I caught today. Perch tacos getting a bite.
Fish out. Oh yeah, nice
Bo?
rainbow.
Oh! How? Dude, bruh. What a shame. I was eating a perch taco when it happened. Hands. Yeah!
Yeah, buddy, you got him. What is it?
It's a bow.
It's a fat bow.
Yeah!
Yeah, look at you just coming over here catching fish right off that.
Yes. He's a keeper. You're a keeper to me.
You want to record?
Yeah, that record.
That's bad.
Decent. Probably 15, I'd say.
I'd say 16.
15, 16-ish.